So what is the meaning of perfect competitive markets? Which market is called as perfect competitive market? Can anyone say your view when we are going to say that it is a perfect competitive market? So in this market, if there are large number of buyers are existing and large number of sellers are also there. So people will be selling and they are going to purchase in more. And they are going to purchase the same product. Homogeneous product means same product. The seller will be selling all the sellers will be selling the same type of products, which we can say that it is homogeneous product. And there won't be any restrictions to them. So no one will restrict them to sell those products or purchase those products. And they are going to have a perfect knowledge of the market. So how the product is and what is the quality of the product is and what is the price of the product is. Every information will be known by the buyer as well as the seller. So those who are existing in a particular market. So such type of, if all these qualities are there, we can say that it is a perfect competitive market. And they are going to sell at a particular time. Okay. So without a particular knowledge, they are not going to sell and they are not going to purchase. So can you see on the screen a logo? So what is this figure indicates here? Is that clear for you to see? So something that is going to be extracted here. So this is the figure which is going to give you the crude oil industry related figure. Okay. So crude oil is one of the example you can take, which is going to be coming under the perfect competitive market. And the second figure, looking at the second figure, what do you understand here? This is related with a product which is gold. Okay, gold is also going to have a perfect competitive market. The third figure, so here you can see that people are selling the vegetables. So all the sellers will be selling the same type of products. No? So vegetables market. So vegetable market also comes under the perfect competitive market. And this fourth figure is indicating you looking at that some people are selling something. So like food, street foods will be there. No? So street foods also comes under this perfect competitive market. So these are some of the examples which you can say that they are going to be treated as what perfect competitive markets. And some more examples in detail let us see. That is a foreign exchange markets. In foreign exchange markets, what they are going to exchange? They are going to exchange the currency, no? So currency will be the homogeneous product, right? So homogeneous product they are going to sell, and more number of traders will be buying that currency, and they are going to sell the same currency. So homogeneous product is currency here, and more buyers will be there purchasing that currency, and more sellers will be there in the foreign exchange markets. And the information will be known by even the buyer as well as the seller. Perfect information will be there. How the price of the foreign currency is, or if they want to go, even if they want to go for foreign countries also, in some cases, they are going to purchase this foreign currency also, right? So even if you are in the same country also, to do the business, stock exchange business or commodity business, some people will be doing purchasing this currency and they are going to sell the currency also to gain profits. So all such markets we can take into perfect competitive markets. And there is very easily they will be purchasing this and they are going to easily compare the prices. So what is the price at the present? They may be having that information while purchasing the currency. And another example you can take for perfect competitive market is agricultural markets. So as in this agricultural markets, what the farmers are going to do, they are going to bring the same product. For example, onions are there. So all the farmers, those who are going to sell in the agricultural market, they will bring onions. So if they have cultivated any other product like rice or like chilies or cotton, so they will bring the same identical product and they are going to sell in this agricultural market. And there will be many number of buyers also, those who are going to purchase this product which was bought by the farmers. And they are going to compare the prices. So at what price the seller is going to sell, and by comparing, if it is a very cheaper rate, the buyer will be purchasing from that particular seller, right? So like that, in agricultural markets, the product will be exchanged. Homogeneous product is there, as well as the buyers will know what is the price, at what price the sellers are selling, and even the sellers will know at what price they need to sell the product in the market. So they can easily compare the prices also. So this is another example you can take for perfect competitive markets. And you can also take another example like internet related industries. In internet also you are going to nowadays see online markets are there, no? Online purchasing you are going to do. So even Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, like that, in each and every online websites you are purchasing the product, right? So you can easily compare the product. If you want to purchase a particular product, you can easily compare it in each internet site, how they are going to sell the product and what is the price also. You can easily compare also. You can get quick information related with this, which we can say that it is a perfect information. The buyer will be knowing, and as well as the seller, if they want to sell also, they can sell. Nowadays, more websites came into existence to sell the product also. And there won't be any barrier to sell their product on internet. India Mart undi kada. Every person who is going to have an account in that particular India Mart, everyone can sell the product. So there won't be any restriction. Barrier means here restriction to enter into the market and sell your product. So all these you can take as an example of this internet related industries, eBay only, even old products also you are going to sell, OLX and so like that. So you can easily compare the prices and you can purchase at the cheapest price. Where the seller is selling at cheaper prices, there you are going to purchase that particular product. Even books also you can purchase on internet and you can earn profits. You can, by selling also you can earn profits. So all these comes under the perfect competitive markets examples.